All right, welcome back to another trade recap. Today is January 26, 2026, and I took Nasdaq longs today for a total profit of around 250 times 3 on 3 accounts, so 750. Might as well round it up to 800. Either way, coming into the day on the 4 hour, wrong chart. Coming in today on the 4 hour on Nasdaq, it was before this candle closed, so we were right here. What did I see? I saw this big wick to the downside, showing me that there was indecision to the downside, meaning that I knew price wanted to go up. And I also saw that we just inversed this 1 hour bearish gap, meaning that we wanted to go higher. And right before we opened, we had London highs. We had London highs and New York day previous highs right above us. So I'm pretty sure London highs were right here. And we took them out at like 829. So before market even opened. Then we also had New York previous day highs right here, which is what I ended up targeting. So after I found my daily bias and I saw that we already took out London highs, I knew we had to target London set, or we took out London highs, so I knew we had to target previous day highs. And then as soon as market opened, it was really clean. We came down, we swept these 1 minute lows. We also filled in this 15-minute gap, so I got my manipulation, I got the rejection. All I needed to see was an inverse, which I scaled down to the 30-second for because the market was moving fast. And then I entered as soon as we inversed this gap right here. And I also risked less, which is why I only went to 50. And I took profits early, so I would have been 500 on each account, most likely. But I only risked 2/3 of the size because I don't like entering off 30-second inverses that much. That's pretty much the main reason. And we also had an SMT at this point. Actually, no, we didn't have SMT yet because ES took out London highs way before NQ did, but we did not have it yet. The only reason I entered low risk is because I don't like entering off 30-second inverses because sometimes we will inverse it, come down, and then get an actual 1 or 2 or 3 minute inverse. So we got the 1 minute or the 30-second inverse. I had my break even at some intermediate highs. It was a wick right here. So I risked only like 2 something on each account to make 250. And then it was pretty much a straight shot to the upside. And then the reason why, so New York day previous highs were up here, and I took profits. I took profits where this line is because around somewhere here we took out these targets, but on ES. So we took out New York day previous day highs on ES, and then I ended up putting my stop loss in profit at the bottom of this candle. So we were up here, and then I got stopped out on this black candle for 250 across 3 accounts. So not bad. It's Monday, can't really complain, can't really find a better entry. It's pretty choppy. I would like to see more manipulation and a better inverse next time, but it is what it is. We still won.